Freshers mechanical engineers, you have two options in your careers. Either become a manufacturing engineer or become a design engineer. But the point to be noted is if you choose your career in CAD designing industry, then one of the biggest mistakes you may be committing is blindly start learning any CAD CAM softwares. Of course, knowledge of CAD CAM software is the essence of design industry, no doubt. But I wonder that sometimes it sounds little funny to me as well. Do you know what? It is about selecting the CAD CAM training institute. Guys, this video is about exactly solving the fresher engineers problem about how to select a training institute in CAD CAM. The great part of this video is powered by 20 years of my working corporate experience. Now for a few moments, we'll just revise about what is your thought process when you select the institute. First one is to select the institute that offers a cheaper course fees. Am I right or wrong? Second is you search for a multiple software bundle, yes or no? And lastly, you only pay about 35,000 for word of the mouth guarantee. Everyone tell me, yes or no? Am I right or not? Listen to this course offered by CAD Center Design Studio. First, no job guarantee, only assistant. Second, we only prepare you for high salary job. And lastly, we offer 4 lakh plus course fees. I don't know. Are they crazy? Is it too much? Why does CAD Center charge so much fees? But the reality is different. Now let's check out the hidden part of the course structure. This is mind-blowing action plan that we are offering for each student. This is most costly course, which is about 4 lakh rupees for you to get a high salary job. The magical part is it starts by transforming and converting your skills into high salary job. We add a lot of industrial dummy project experience. This is most valuable skill set, and exactly this is what they are looking for in a candidate. The institute builds your project portfolio and teaches you about 250 different kind of industrial projects. When you master this in the domain of car and product design, high salary jobs will be offered to you. Now let's check out quickly what type of projects do we exactly teach on a high salary job. First one is car component modeling. For this, the projects cover IC engine, power transmission, suspension, steering system and braking system. Second one is about the surface mold component. For this, the projects covered are front and rear bumper, all doors, roofs, all types of mirrors, helmets, water bottles and mouse. Third is machinery component modeling. For this, the projects covered are bench drilling machines, saw machines, industrial instruments, milling machines, hand drilling machine. Fourth one is about sheet metal component design. For this, the projects covered are radiator, truck treaders, computers, CPUs, automotive sheet metal parts, and industrial cabinets. Fifth one is on manufacturing CNC code and simulation. For this, the projects covered are milling, drilling, turning and CNC operation. Sixth one is about the safety design and FAA analysis. For this, the projects covered are gear, engine mechanism, suspension, chassis, crane, bucket digger, engine head, piston and silencer. Dear mechanical fresher engineers, more than 250 projects are covered to master you, to make you prepare for this CAD CAM software. Apart from this, we also provide you the domain knowledge of automobile engineering. Firstly, we teach you about how the car is made, then teach you about how the car works, and then teach you about the car packaging. In the car packaging, you can understand different types of cars, architectural design such as what is meant by sedan, hatchback, SUV, van, jeep. Also in car packaging, you will learn different kind of systems and their allocation of space in the complete car, allocation of occupant, steering system, engine, power transmission, suspension system, braking system, fuel system, cargo space, and lastly, you will learn all safety and electronic control system. Apart from this, you can see specialization knowledge in the resume. The CAD Center Design Studio will train you on different fundamentals such as geometrical dimensioning and tolerances, GD&T, jigs and fixture, sheet metal, surface design, assembly design. We not only build your software skills and specialization skills, we will also give you the required soft skills that are required for the industry, such as learning, listening, time management, obedience, communication, attitude. So guys, CAD Center Design Studio as well as offers all the advanced courses in soft skills. In the brief, CAD Center Design Studio helps you step by step to get a high salary job. Let me first summarize it. Firstly, resume building, then project portfolio building on different software, learning specialized fundamental design knowledge, building job soft skills, profile building on different job portals, as well as we have got 100 corporate interviews to understand how to crack the interview. It's not enough. They help you in job hunting as well. On various platforms like LinkedIn and Naukri. Apart from this, there are continuous inner circle calls that will give you mentorship and coaching for your design. CAD Center Design Studio will prepare you for lifelong so that you never require any help at any stage, and that's why the course value of CAD Center Design Studio is 4 lakh rupees. But wait, you will only get this at 85,000 rupees. I know you can learn CAD/CAM software bundle at only 30 to 35,000, but if you understand the real value and real worth of the course, then you can easily cash in on the few in your salary. On the screen, you can see a QR code. This code is an inquiry form. After filling this inquiry, you will get an automatic WhatsApp message. The WhatsApp message is a qualifying question, and you have to answer a test. If you pass this test, you will be considered as a potential candidate who can get a high salary job. Remember, to fill out this form, you have to pay 100 rupees, and then only the CAD Center team will conduct a test for you. It is your chance to validate whether you are a potential candidate who deserves a high salary job or not. And that only you can check by paying 100 rupees. If you pass the test, the CAD Center team will share with you the action plan to become a car or a product design engineer. If you are passionate about the CAD/CAM industry, then scan this QR code and register. Trust me, if you build such a kind of resume, definitely you deserve a high salary job. This car and product design course will build so much confidence in you. It will give software proficiency, domain fundamental knowledge of car design. Lastly, the techniques to hunt job. After that, definitely landing in an MNC would be a cakewalk. I'm 100% sure that this 100 rupees will definitely become a ticket to enter into the design industry. So scan the QR code quickly and get the ticket. Remember, this car and product design course you will only get in 85,000 rupees, the actual cost of which is 4 lakh rupees. Thank you.